What's up everybody, Michael from RoyalElements.com. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between clear and white printable vinyl sticker paper. We're going to be talking about the appearance, pros, cons, and best uses for each. So here are three types that we will be showcasing. First, we're going to look at clear printable vinyl sticker paper. We are also going to look at glossy white sticker paper. And then finally, we're going to look at matte white printable vinyl sticker paper. So inside of Canva, I'm going to hit create new design, and I'm going to use an 8.5 by 11 inch design. I am going to find some stickers I like. In this case, we're looking at these cute little mushrooms. I'm going to add these in, adjust them, and download them as a PNG file for high quality prints. Okay. Here we're going to hit Control and P, and I'm going to use my Color LaserJet Pro. I'm going to adjust the settings to best quality so the quality really pops, and then you can also adjust what type of medium you're going to print on depending on what you're using. So here is our laser printer. This is the example of what not to do. This was not adjusted. So when you print each individual type, depending on what you're using, you're going to want to adjust those printer settings. So for this matte printable vinyl, we are going to select a matte or cardstock option. And this way the printer will pick it up and it will look a lot more crispy. So here are the close-ups of these cute little guys, and then each individual printed sheet on their respective packaging. Looking at them one by one, here's our glossy printable vinyl. You can see a little bit of smudges from a previous bad print, but the images themselves pop and are high quality and really crispy. Clear printable vinyl. Similar with a kind of a glossy finish, but you can see here the images all look amazing. The reds pop, the pinks, and the unprinted white portion also looks very good. Matte printable vinyl, you can see it curled a little bit. That's from the heat. And the images themselves look great. If you notice on the packaging, our Royal Elements printable vinyl says it's for inkjet printers. However, it's also compatible with laser printers, which is a nice little bonus there. So these images turned out looking great. Now we're going to cut to the actual cutting process. So there are two ways to cut out stickers. Right here, what I'm showcasing is literally using just a pair of scissors, okay? You need to kind of take your time with these. So I sped this up roughly, I believe 5 times over. So I take my time with this process, but it is quite enjoyable. You can see I was listening to music there, and I'm using regular scissors. If you are on a higher budget, or you have a Cricut machine, or if you are a small sticker business, I would recommend using a cutting machine such as a Cricut or a Silhouette or anything comparable. That will help speed things up. It'll make things look crispier. And if you have customers who are buying these stickers from you, then that's going to be a lot more of a professional investment. So this is what the end product looks like. Nice and cut to the corners. This is clear, and we're going to dive deep into each one in a moment here, but this is our clear printable vinyl. Now we're going to stick each different type on 3 different surfaces. So starting with glossy printable vinyl looks good on anything. Typically you'll put it on darker surfaces instead of using clear printable vinyl, and you will see the difference in a moment. So these that I'm all sticking on, these 3 different surfaces: a darker water bottle, a clear glass bottle of cologne, and then finally a white porcelain mug. So glossy looks great on every single one of these. The contrast and colors really pop nicely. And overall, glossy looks really nice on every single surface. So moving on to clear printable vinyl and stickers in general are a little bit more niche. You can see that it looks a little translucent. So when I stick it on the background of the lighter blue, you can see it doesn't pop quite as much as the glossy. And so you'll want to usually use clear printable vinyl stickers on a white background. So on glass, it looks semi-washed out. If that's the look you're going for, great. But with my recommendation, I would say use clear printable vinyl stickers almost exclusively on white surfaces. So there you can see clear really looks a lot nicer on a white background so that the image quality doesn't get washed out. Finally, we're going to look at matte printable vinyl stickers. Matte, or at least with our brand, tends to be the most durable. It attracts the least amount of dirt and grease, and overall it can even go in dishwashers in a lot of cases, at least with our Royal Elements printable vinyl, matte specifically. Some other brands and finishes tend to not hold up as well under those type of circumstances. So matte looks great on all surfaces, just doesn't have that glossy appeal to it, but there are a lot of cases when you'd actually prefer matte because of all of the durability benefits and longevity that comes with it. So clear, that's a no-no. You see me wagging my finger there. On light surfaces, it's okay. On glass, it's not so good, but clear is awesome on white backgrounds. So that's what our clear printable vinyl looks like right there. Hope this video helps. Now you know the differences between these different surfaces and use cases. You're going to want to click on this video to learn more.